Tomorrow, I'm gonna hop on a train and I will meet my birth parents for the first time. This has been 19 years in the making, and I'm extremely nervous.
I want to see what he looks like in person, his voice, his smile, my hug I've been waiting for.
Kind of wondered, does he hate us? I think it's caused a lot of depression from time to time.
The reality is David was seconds, literally, from not being here. It's kind of a bittersweet because I wanted him.
We're gonna all fill in this missing piece of the puzzle that has been in all 3 of our lives.
It's going to be an overwhelming experience.
I'm nervous, but I'm really excited.
I don't want to live my life not ever knowing what might have been.